week has been a very volatile week. But we are still catching some pips. Okay, we're not going to give up. We're still catching some pips. So this is a quick one on EURNZD. All right. On a weekly time frame, we can see the bullishness of this market, right? But with this particular indecision candle, you see this indecision candle here, this particular one here, I think we'll be seeing some bearishness in the coming week. Okay, but we cannot just enter this market like that. We have to be conservative in this market, in this approach to the market. So we'll go down to the lower time frame and see for ourselves. We are bullish. We are really bullish in this market. So we cannot do much in 1 day time frame. So we'll go to 4 hour. Okay. Now we are in the 4 hour time frame. We are still bullish. All right. This candlestick formation, some people will see it as an engulfing, but it's not an engulfing candle. This is a treasure. I don't really remember what they call this again, but I don't use this to trade. Okay, I don't use this to trade. So price can come and take this as a liquidity and give us a candlestick formation for entry to buy. So it's two things. We can have a buy from here to the upside, or we break out and do a retest to take it down. All right, just a kind of correction to the weekly time frame, because we have been going up for a very long time. So price should have a little break, take some buyers for some liquidation before going up. We can experience that in the coming week. So it's two scenarios. Either you wait for this break, take this as a liquidity, then give us a candlestick formation or a lower time frame change of character or a change of price delivery, then you take it up, or you wait for this zone to break down, then give you a retest, then take it to the next zone. Okay, this is the approach I have for EURNZD. And when you check our momentum, I told you guys I have a indicator that tells me the momentum of the candle. It helps me to measure it. So when you check RSI, you will definitely see that RSI is printing divergence. Okay, it's actually printing divergence. You see this? You see it? This is a divergence. Okay, the RSI is doing other things here. Okay, so that is what we have for the week. Bye for now.